Hey everyone, welcome to Birds of a Feather. Today we're making over these thrifted place card holders. Perhaps you even have some in your own stash.
Color outside the lines.
Now, for this project, it's going to be very quick and simple. You can leave them chrome. It gives you that sort of modern industrial look. And I'm going to show you what I've started here. I've got this metal ruler and I've got them just clamped onto the edge. So let's just take this one. I'm just going to slide this right on and we'll try to space this out a little evenly. Straighten that out, and there you go. I've got 4 of them onto the ruler here. So let me show you what we're going to do with it. We're just going to grab some magnets and some air plants, and I think you know where I'm going with this. Before we finalize it, I do want to mention that there is a front and back to these. As you can see, that is sort of nice and neat. That's the front of it. The back is where you can see the end. I hope you can see that. You can see just the end of that loop there. So you can do it any way you want actually, but you just want to be consistent. So for instance, I have this one on the edge here that isn't consistent with the rest of them. I'm just going to pop that off and it should sit a lot better. So let's just turn this around and pop it back on again. And then we're going to have them all lying nice and even the same way. Now I also want to mention that this ruler does have some cork on the back, so you have to be careful that you don't mangle that as you put them on. You can remove the cork if you find that easier. It will be thinner, but I do find that it helps to tighten that up. So I'm leaving it on. Once that is sorted out and you have all your placeholders here going in the right direction, we're just going to flip this over. And I've got some rare earth magnets here. I'm just going to add them right in between. Just going to slide this along. And there we go, we've got our magnets in place. Flip that back over. Last step is adding some air plants, and then I'm going to show you how to hang it.
Anywhere you have a metal surface is fair game, like appliances, the front of a metal bookshelf, your front door perhaps, even a metallic stand. And lastly, this is where I'm putting it, in our home office on our filing cabinet. For more upcycle ideas, be sure to subscribe and ring that bell for upcoming projects. Before you go, be sure to click on one of the cards above if you love upcycling as much as we do.